Okay, if you have any experience behind a bar, then you may or may not have been measuring ingredients for, and that is okay. It's absolutely fine. I mean, I know some great bartenders that do not measure with a tool. They measure with their eyes. They measure with their experience. They measure with training, and that is perfectly fine. With our bars, we use a tool because we are humans and we make mistakes, and so to maintain a consistent level of consistency, we use a tool called the jigger. And so the jigger helps us measure out quarter ounces, half ounces, 3/4 ounces, 1 ounce, 2 ounces, an ounce and a half. And it allows us to do that consistently so we don't have to think about it too much. You'll see some of the best bars in the world use tools like this. And it's for a very good reason. Now you may say, wow, this is just another step. It's going to slow me down, or I'm an excellent pourer. And these things may be true. But it's very, very important to have the same drink come out from the same bartenders every single time. And the speed will come. The speed will come, especially if you're not used to using this tool. So a couple of things to remember about this is that measuring is much more consistently accurate than not measuring. And that means that, like, there could be any environmental issues. You could be rushed. You could forget what you're doing. And I know bartenders that do that. They have two jiggers in one hand, and they're extremely fast with this. At just as fast as, if not faster than just free pouring straight out of the bottle. So we measure everything every time. We don't necessarily need to do soda water, tonic water, stuff like that, but we measure everything else. And there's a couple different techniques that we'll go over in your in-person training. But it's, take the time to get this right. This is another one of those things that people can see you doing, and they're going to start taking you seriously as a bartender, as a craftsperson, as a professional, because you care enough to measure and make sure that you get it right.